Welcome to our channel. If Gmail isn't receiving emails or experiencing sync errors, these steps will help restore your email functionality immediately. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Open other websites to confirm you have active internet access. Step 2. Verify storage space in your Google account. Gmail stops receiving emails when storage is full. Check drive.google.com/settings/storage. Step 3. Check Gmail filters. Go to Settings Filters and Blocked Addresses to ensure emails aren't being automatically deleted or archived. Step 4. Disable email forwarding if active. In Settings, check Forwarding and POP/IMAP to ensure emails aren't being sent elsewhere. Step 5. Clear Gmail app cache and data. Go to Device Settings, Apps, Gmail, then Clear Cache and Clear Data. Step 6. Remove and re-add your Gmail account. Go to Device Settings, Accounts, remove Gmail, then add it again. Step 7. Check Sync Settings. In Gmail App Settings, ensure sync is enabled for your account. Step 8. Update the Gmail app. Visit your App Store and install any available updates. Step 9. Try accessing Gmail through a web browser to determine if the issue is app-specific or account-wide. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.